Gold currently is rising in value. Yesterday the price has formed a bullish candle starting from this area of support. We can see yesterday the price was trying to move further down, continuing to losing value on a Friday, but the price has stopped right here, very close to this area of support, which I have mentioned in the previous week analysis, that the price could stop around this area here, dropping down, but we can see the price respected that area of support and returning back up. So the daily candle has closed as a bullish candle yesterday. Currently, we can see on the 4-hour time frame how that has behaved. The price has created yesterday a bullish candles. We can see that the week started with this area here, with this bullish candle, and especially because of this bullish pin bar that has been formed also yesterday. This was indication of the further rise in value, at least to the next resistance level, and this is something that the price is respected. The next resistance level has bounced the price down, testing again the support level 3272.61 as a strong one. We can see that several candles of these on the 4-hour time frame could not manage to close below this area of support, which shows a significant support level. After that, the price continued to rise in value. We can see that for several candles on the 4-hour time frame has continued to rise in value, forming these bullish candles. We can see that here. And currently we have a bullish breakout here with this bullish candle above 3314.79, targeting the next resistance level, which will be 3325.75. This bullish breakout has been shared with the traders inside the premium analysis. That is something that you can also join if you would like. The link will be below in the description. On the yesterday, we can see on the 1-hour time frame we had several of these bullish breakouts. We can see them here. Yesterday the price formed this bullish breakout here, targeting the next resistance level. It was here, and this was successful. We can see that after the price formed this bullish breakout, tested the previous resistance, now acting as a support, the price continued to rise in value. After that, the price formed again bullish breakout, we can see that, and then continued to rise in value again. So these two bullish breakouts was very successful yesterday. And if you take a look here on the trading account from the yesterday, we will see that I had several trades of these opened, and all of them were successful. These trades were shared with the traders inside the premium analysis. So if you would like to receive these breakout information, feel free to check the link below and join other traders to receive these updates. Now after that, we can see the price is continuing to rising in value, and what we can make a conclusion for today. For now, I have shared that I am expecting that the price will continue to rise in value, and this is something that I am expecting currently, that the price will reach this area of resistance. So around this area, starting of this supply zone, this is the target for now for this breakout. On the daily time frame, we can see that there is still open room for the price to rise in value around this area here. We can see that right where the resistance level is, and also the target of this breakout. But on the daily time frame, we can see that there is more open space for the price to reach higher price levels, and this is also the next target around 3341.42. 3341 is around this area here, just the top of this area, or just of this, the top of this high of these candles. We can see that open and close price level. So this is the target where the price could reach today, and this is something that I am expecting today that the price will try to reach, especially after the price forms a bullish breakout above this area of resistance. Will that happen? We will see. Will the price manage to make a bullish breakout above this area of resistance, 3325.75? Now again, 3340 is an area of resistance where the price could go, and we can see 3340.57 is also the resistance level on the 1-hour time frame. So you can see when you put resistance and support precisely on the chart, you can easily see where the price bounces from the area of support or resistance. So we can see this is the area where I am expecting that the price will go and try to reach. For today, this is the target the price will try to reach, but first of all we need to go step by step, and especially that is when the price makes a bullish breakout above this area of resistance, after that, after this resistance, and after this resistance. This is on the 1-hour time frame. Currently we can see that the price is above this area of resistance, which is 4-hour resistance. The price will try to move to the next 4-hour resistance, but we can see on the 1-hour time frame the price needs to manage to go above this area of resistance, which is 3320.96. When the price manages to go above above this area of resistance, the target will be the second one, which is a 4-hour time frame. But for now, on the 4-hour time frame, everything is pointing that the price will try to reach higher price levels, which means this 1-hour time frame will be easily broken to the upside. After that, we will need to wait what the price will do around this area of resistance. Especially on the 1-hour time frame, is very good to watch, because if the 1-hour time frame shows a bullish breakout, like in this example here, this means that the 4-hour time frame will also move higher. So this is the first step. If you watch on the lower time frame, if there is a signal, this means the starting point also on the higher time frame. So for now, for the goal, I'm expecting today that price will continue to rise in value at least around 3340, and from there we'll see what happens. Will the price manage to reach the daily resistance 3350.58, or will the price stall for a while and bounce back down, or continue to rise in value? This is something that we need to watch closely and follow the market. This is especially important, as I have explained with these bullish breakouts. I am following the market when the price makes a bullish or bearish breakout and then reach the target, what is visible on the chart, with the precisely set support and resistance levels. Feel free to check the link below in the description. That is the way how you can also join the premium analysis, where other traders receive these updates, especially not only for the gold, you receive also for the silver and all of these symbols that are visible currently here inside the trading platform. That's all for today. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.